Hi art friends! On today's episode of Art with Miss Quisler, I'm going to show you how I made this knit chain necklace. Here we go! I'm going to start by using masking tape to attach 4 popsicle sticks on the outside of this cardboard toilet paper tube like this. I want my popsicle sticks to poke up from the outside of the tube about 1 inch. Okay, now I'm ready to start the knitting part. So I've got my yarn and I'm going to drop 1 tail through the center of the tube like this. Then I'm going to take the long end of my yarn and I'm going to wrap it around each of the popsicle sticks 1 time like this. And after I come all the way around the circle, I'll end up with 1 loop on the outside of each of the sticks like this. Then I'm going to wrap 1 more time. Now I have 2 loops on the outside of each stick like this. Now I'm going to take the bottom loop and pull it over the top and leave the top loop attached to the stick like this. I'm going to do that same thing on all 4 of the popsicle sticks. Tug on the tail to keep the knitting tight, and then I'm going to scoop my loops down to the bottom of the sticks. Then I'm going to wrap again, like this. Now I'm ready to pull the bottom loop over the top. You're going to continue along like this with wrapping the loops and then pulling the loops over. And as you continue to do this, you'll see how your knitting chain grows through the toilet paper tube. Once your knitting is as long as you would like it to be, you can go ahead and cut the end of your yarn from the skein. And now I'm going to show you how to remove it from this loom. So I'm going to take this loop and scoot it over to the popsicle stick that's right next door. And then I'm going to take the bottom loop and put it over the top like I've been doing before. I'm going to repeat that with this loop again, scoot it to the neighbor, flip the bottom loop over the top. One last time, scoot the loop over to its neighbor. Bottom loop over the top. And then to remove this last loop from the loom, I'm going to use the tail of the yarn and I'm going to actually put it through the loop when I take it off, like this. I'm going to add some beads to the end of my chain to turn mine into a necklace, but if you want to turn your chain into something else, I would love to see all of your creative ideas. I'm excited to see the art that you're making at home, friends. Please share it with me. Happy arting, everyone.